Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Spotify Desktop offline. So by using Spotify Desktop offline, it will allow you to listen to your downloaded playlists or albums even without an internet connections. And this feature is only available for Spotify Premium users. And here's you can set it up and use it. After you and share you have Spotify Premium. So because offline mode is only available for Spotify Premium users, if you are on the free plan, consider upgrading it via the Spotify website. The second one, you can just download the playlist or albums that you want to listen to offline. You can on the Spotify in here, you can navigate to the playlist or album you want to download in here. For example, this one. And after the playlist is open, you can just tap on this three dot icon and there will be this download options, this one right here. Just click on this download and wait for the downloading process to finish. And once the music is downloaded, you can switch to Spotify, switch your Spotify into offline mode. So go to the settings and click on your in here, go to settings, click on this profiles right here, scroll down until you find the playback section, and there will be offline mode. If you are on premium, you can just toggle it on. And then you can also access offline music by going to your downloaded playlist, albums, or like song. You only see content that's available offline while in offline mode. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can listen to Spotify in offline mode, even if you don't have any internet connection. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.